This is our ratatouille. That is our ratatouille. Look at that. Here, Daddy. There you go. Look at that. it's more easy to cook. Face like that. Yeah.
I'm sorry.
Oh,
It's pretty.
It is.
I wish I had a big piece of bread to eat with it though.
Ay nako, meron pang naiwan si Mami dito. May 3 eggs pa siya. Bigyan pa yung isa. And then, this is my breakfast. Ayan siya guys. Hindi na siya half-cook yung eggs ko kung hindi lutong-luto na siya. Dahil, pag tayo'y Mami, we have to serve first our daughters and our husbands. So, ayan siya. So, ang ratatouille egg sa akin ay fully cooked na siya. Ayan ang drinks natin. And of course, our coffee. So, ito na ang ating breakfast ratatouille. Ang mga ingredients dito guys is onion, garlic, meron akong fresh tomatoes, meron akong canned tomatoes, diced tomatoes in a can, tomato paste, and ano pa? Spinach. Of course, we have eggs. Since wala tayong eggplant and bell pepper guys, so wala na lang, i-unit na lang natin siya. And then meron tayong spinach and zucchini, so okay na yan siya. And then pang sauce niya is yung tomato paste, tomato sauce, fresh tomatoes. All you have to do is to saute your vegetables and then add your zucchini and add your tomato sauce. I add my ham, so ayan siya. And then you have to add your sauce. Pagkatapos niyan, either you are going to season this with garlic salt and black pepper, or you have to add your chicken broth. So ayan siya guys. And then pag maboil siya, you just cook your zucchini for 5 minutes and add your sauce. Or depende, if sauce first at zucchini or zucchini sauce, depende sa iyo. And then you have to add your eggs. Kung ilan kayo guys, 1 egg each or 2 egg each. 2 egg each. So, ayan ginagawa ko guys. Either, depende kung paano ninyo iluto ang inyong eggs, either runny siya, half-cooked, or fully cooked siya. Gusto ko siya yung half-cooked sana guys, pero natagalan ko siya ng kuha, or na-serve ko muna yung asawa ko, and then ako, kaya siya naluto na siya. So, ayun tayo guys. Cheers for my ratatouille. Oh, masarap ang aking ratatouille because it's a lot of tomato. It's healthy. So if you want to ratatouille, if you want to add your black pepper, go ahead, add your black pepper and your favorite sauce. Gusto ko ito siyang sriracha sauce. Ito gusto ng asawa ko. At ito naman gusto ng mga anak ko, Lesiana. So ayan, maraming sauce na yan. Pag kami kumakain guys, yung lahat ng uri ng sauce, andito na sa table lahat. So ayan siya si sauce. Lagyan natin siya ng sauce. So depende na sa iyo. If you add sauce, black pepper, and Parmesan cheese, go ahead. If your seasoning is only garlic salt, pareho sa akin, garlic salt and Black pepper lang, okay lang yan siya. If you have your chicken broth, mas maganda pa yan siya. You have to add 1 cup of chicken broth, 1 can of tomatoes, and 1/3 of your paste. 1/3 cup of your paste. Ayan, masarap na siya, guys. But if you don't have a chicken broth, pero meron kayong chicken cubes, so you just grab a boiled water, 1/3 of a boiled water, and then drop your chicken broth and ilagay mo siya doon. Mas masarap din. Walang problema, guys. Whatever available, because quarantine time, just go ahead. Makaluto kayo. Very yummy. So this is our brunch. Masarap ito pag brunch, guys. Maski breakfast, brunch. And then, if you go to the party, if you have a brunch party, or if you have a brunch gathering with the ladies, o sa mga kaibigan mo, masarap, you can bring them to your brunch gathering. Ayan. Brunch with ladies. This is good. I ate the chunk of hat. Okay, guys, so thank you for watching. If you want my recipe, please click the description below, and please subscribe to my channel. Subscribe, click and like, and please click the notification bell para sa next upload you will be notified. Thank you very much, and coffee tayo.